McCotton's Barbecue. I'm making fried chicken again. It's Thursday. We have peas and macaroni and cheese with fried chicken. With the mix, my batter, Magilla Gorilla. Fried chicken. Lemmy wants some. Look at that fried chicken. Look at that. It's delicious. These are going in for their second dipping, a double fry. These are going to come out. Look at that skin, super crispy. Got SPG, Lowry's, chicken mix. Just water, that's all you need is water. Brand new oil. Alright, McCotton's Barbecue. Tomorrow I'm getting all my wood delivered for my front deck. So I'll make another video. That's going to be pretty cool. The truck's going to deliver 12 8-foot long 2x6 pressure treated wood deck pieces of wood. It's going to be killer. Peace, love, and aloha. Bon appetit. Fried chicken.
Technology is so great. When I was a student, of course, you'd go home for the summer with that reading list screen and you'd roll your eyes. You're like, in summer, I just want to go to the beach, have fun. I don't want to read, but I can see now, especially
Fried chicken never gets old.
how important it is to stay on top of the reading list.
Mac and cheese.